What's good, everybody? It's your boy Everton, and today we're talking about 3 things that are really amazing about Visible. Now, guys, Visible is Verizon's kind of prepaid plan. They're kind of targeting that budget market, which is fine. I mean, I think it's an extra source of revenue, a new company, the ability to get access to Verizon's towers and their network without necessarily having to deal with like the extra prices and you know, all that, you know, uptight business stuff. You just want service and you want it at a reasonable price and a very simple plan. Just unlimited everything. Unlimited. Let me get unlimited talk and text and data and tethering, right? And I love that, not having to, you know, have to think about, hey, where am I within my plan data? Something that I haven't had to think about for, you know, for a pretty long time. So I'm very happy that they offer this option. It is very simple, but I definitely want to talk about some things that I've experienced in real world because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I think specs are important. They tell you what the capability and what the expectations should be, but I'm a real world guy. I'm a real world kind of guy. I like to know what it's like in the real world. And there are 3 things about Visible that I think you guys should know that no one else is talking about. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing really is, it's a big change. It doesn't actually change the plan or the service, but it does change their practices. So a while back, when I first got Visible, so basically like 3 months ago, when I came on board, I signed up for Visible and I made a video about it, but I did not put my referral code in my videos. And there was a reason why I didn't do that. Visible previously was set up to say, hey, if I have Visible and I tell someone to get Visible Wireless, and they do, I'll say, hey, here's my, you know, referral code. I would get my next bill to be $5, and I can do that up to 12 times. So every year, I could basically have a bill for $5, which I thought was amazing. But the person who actually activated their plan got nothing, right? They would just get the access to the plan, and I would get the credit. So being the fact that, well, I make ad revenue from the videos that I make, I was like, you know what, man, I'm not gonna try to double dip, right? Like, you know, it's all good, whatever. Then all of a sudden they change. They have now introduced it where not only the person who gives out the referral code, but the person that actually activates with the referral code, their first bill is $5. One thing to keep in mind is that Visible does run promotions. So the way that the referral code works at checkout is it takes place as a promotional code, right? So basically if there's a promotion going on, in the wildest scenario where Visible said, hey, we'll give you 3 months for free, use this promo code. If you use someone else's promo code, it will knock that other promo code out. I don't think that they ever do that fictitious one that I just made up, but at the same time, just know that it works like a promo code to make your first bill be only $5. And I think that's actually great. FYI guys, my promo code, I'll probably just throw in the video, but it'll definitely be linked in the description, as well as the link to Visible Wireless. That way you guys can sign up and get your guys' first month bill to be $5, as I will be able to, so appreciate you if you do that. But at the same time, I think that it's important because it's a way for you to be able to try the service for $5 for an entire month. If you don't like it, pour it out, all right? I like it a lot, and the next thing that I'm gonna tell you guys about Visible Wireless is probably gonna be one of the biggest things ever. So this morning, I had a blackout, right? Well, the power went out, and it woke me up for some reason. I don't know why when the AC shuts off, it's like, like, I'm like, what? So I woke up this morning, didn't have any power, and it woke me up and I was like, dang it, right? So the most annoying thing is that I can't entertain myself with anything during that time. It's dark outside, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use Visible service to tether to my laptop since it has battery power. And then something else happened. I was like, let me test the limitations of this. So now we're about to actually do a live testing in my daughter's room to test out how many devices you can actually get internet to, because I don't think it's one. Let's go. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Everton. So right now we are in my daughter's room. Excuse the pink mouse, it's all good. But so right now, and it's still being set up, guys, so don't judge us, all right? But right now I'm going to display to you guys that mobile hotspot is on. Let me just make sure I get that in focus. So mobile hotspot is on, and it is Everton's Galaxy S21 5G. All right, so it is showing that it is on. Right now, I want to show you guys that I do have every one of these devices connected to Everton's. This is my Mint mobile phone. Everton's Galaxy S21 Ultra connected to the Wi-Fi. All right, cool. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Everton's, just forgot that this is touchscreen. Everton's S21 Ultra 5G. All right, and this is, or should be showing. All right, okay, cool. All right, and last thing I need to show you guys on my S21 Ultra 5G is that, well, I am running on Visible. You might be able to see that there we go. Right there, visible at the bottom, right? So we're gonna attempt to play 3 videos. Those are data intensive things. Let's do this Carvana video. All right, and while that's being loaded up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play each of these on 720. So this one's playing. All right, automatically went to 720, so that's fine. All right, one that I haven't watched yet. Let's do this Visible video. Starting to play right away. All right. Auto's at.
It's true. I actually signed up.
Let me just actually get this here.
A couple weeks ago, and
it's playing right now.
The reason why I did
turn this down. Oh, so auto generated to 720. Well, let me see if I can show you guys that. There we go, 720. All right, and the last thing that we're gonna do, this is my daughter's laptop. That's cool. This one, little Power Ranger one. All right, still loading, but I'm not sure how. I don't know how to control. Do I know how to control the resolution on this? No, I do not. But it is playing, and it looks like standard definition, like 480. All right, guys, but at the end of the day, I have 3 videos that were playing without issue, like really without issue, on the singular streaming device of Visible's tethering, all right? And this actually looks like it bumped up to, well, it still looks like standard definition, so, but it looks really good though, so. At the end of the day, this is to prove that Visible has the ability to stream multiple devices at the same time. At the same time. All right, let's go. Let's get back into my apartment. Yeah, guys, so that was amazing, right? You can actually tether 3 devices. Now, not all 3 I think would perform playing 4K video. Definitely it's a strain on the actual modem that they have put in that little itty bitty phone. But I streamed 3 devices from my one phone. And I'm pretty sure that, well, my data priority for the phone that I was using probably would get priority. So I technically can have 4 devices all getting data, right? Even though I didn't try it in that test. But anyway, so guys, that's basically it. I heard a lot of people saying that, hey, you can only tether to 1 device. Debunked. So the third thing that they have is the upgrade program. So if you upgrade a phone through Visible Wireless using their Affirm partner, which is the partner that you can actually finance a phone, usually at 0% interest rate, if you pay off 50% of the existing phone that you have, and then you decide, hey, I want to upgrade, you can actually upgrade through Affirm within this for, you know, like, so let's say you have an iPhone 12 Pro, you want the iPhone 13 Pro, then you can upgrade through Affirm and then send your old phone back and they will pay off the rest of your old phone. You can just start fresh with a brand new phone. I love that. I'm a phone guy. I constantly switch phones. I've had to taper it back a little bit because, you know, with prepaid phone company, you typically have to finance the entire phone by yourself, blah, blah, blah. There's not really too many discounts outside of, you know, getting it from a regular retailer and what they offer. But this is major. Now you can actually upgrade into the new phone after you paid off 50% of your old phone and upgrade in a year. You know, I feel like that's pretty dope. But either way, guys, with the 3 devices that you can tether data to, the fact that you have this new referral code that now gives the sign up person, the signee, whatever they're called, $5 for the next month's bill as well. And also you can upgrade your phone. I'm thinking Visible's a winner right now. You gotta understand, I mean, it's a very simple plan, strictly unlimited, It's pretty dope. But either way, guys, once again, my referral code is in the description. Also, there's a link to Visible Wireless. It'll take you right there. You can, jump on any deals that they have. Check them out, guys. And until next time, I'm Everton, and I do videos Everton's way. Peace.